Hi there, this is Jasmine and we are solving question 113. The question says if x is equal to minus absolute value of w, then which of the following must be true? The options are like this. The first option says, first one, that x is equal to minus w. But what is x? X is negative of absolute value of w and they are saying that this is same as minus w. Let's take the possible values of w here. W can be say negative 2 or positive 2. If I take negative 2, what will happen? Minus W of minus 2 is equal to minus of minus 2. This becomes negative 2, this is becomes positive 2. Are they equal? No, they are not. What if I substitute a positive number? So in that case, I will get negative of plus 2 is equal to negative of plus 2. In that case, it will be minus 2 as minus 2. So this could be but not must be. Same thing goes second statement. It says x is equal to w. X is equal to w only when w is positive. Otherwise it's not. Next statement says that x square is equal to w. X square is equal to w, but x is what? Absolute value of w, and they are saying its whole square is equal to w. Absolute value is basically square root of w square, and then its whole square is equal to w. Square will cancel out the square root sign and the negative sign. So we have w square is equal to w, which is not true. Let's look at the option D. It says x square is equal to w square. X is absolute value of w and then its square is equal to w square. Absolute sign means square root of w square and negative of this whole square is equal to w square. Square will cancel out negative and square root sign, so we get w square equal to w square, which is true. From this we can say that option D is correct. Option E cannot be correct because it's cube and negative of cube will give you a negative number. Hence your answer must be option D. That's all. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.